Ever wonder how some people end up in their dream careers? Or how a passion truly takes root and blossoms? Today, I'm sharing my history, the winding path that led me to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and technology, and why I believe understanding one's journey is crucial for continuous growth. In this video, we'll dive into the early sparks that ignited my curiosity, the pivotal moments that shaped my expertise, and the continuous learning journey that defines my approach to tech today. My aim isn't just to tell a story, but to illustrate how diverse experiences can converge into a powerful and valuable narrative. My journey into tech began not with a sophisticated university course, but with a clunky Commodore 64 back in the late 80s. I remember the sheer awe of typing simple commands and seeing text appear, realizing I could instruct a machine to do something. This early tinkering, often involving disassembling old electronics just to see how they worked, wasn't just play. It was foundational curiosity that laid the groundwork for understanding complex systems. It taught me the importance of hands-on exploration over pure theory, a lesson I carry to this day. As I grew, this raw curiosity evolved into a focused pursuit. My formal education in computer science provided the theoretical framework, but it was during an internship building an early machine learning prototype for predictive analytics that I truly saw AI's transformative potential. This wasn't just about algorithms. It was about solving real-world problems, predicting market trends, optimizing logistical processes, and making data actionable in new ways. This project, though small in scope, was a significant turning point, confirming that AI wasn't just a concept, but a powerful tool for innovation. The landscape of technology, especially AI, is ever-changing, making continuous learning not just a recommendation, but an absolute necessity. For me, this has meant dedicating thousands of hours to understanding groundbreaking advancements like neural networks and generative AI, often through online courses, collaborative projects, and extensive research. A fascinating fact: the pace of AI development has seen the number of parameters in leading models increase by over 200 billion since just 2018 alone. This rapid evolution means my history is still being written, with each new development presenting a fresh challenge and an opportunity to share cutting-edge insights with you, the viewer. So, from those initial sparks with a basic computer to navigating the complexities of modern AI, my history is a testament to persistent curiosity and the power of embracing lifelong learning. It underscores that every expert was once a beginner, fueled by a desire to understand and innovate. If you found this journey insightful, please give this video a thumbs up. Share your own pivotal moments or passions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology and AI.